Welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. We bowl things off with cricket as West Indies' inaugural tour of Nepal got off to the worst possible start as they went down in a historic 19-run defeat in the first of 3 T20s on Saturday.
The ball that turns from
the West Indies suffered the ignominy of being the first full-member nation to be defeated by Nepal when they went down by 19 runs to the Asian side on Saturday morning at the Sharjah Cricket Stadium in the United Arab Emirates. After standing captain Akil Hussain won the toss, Nepal posted 148 for 8 from their 20 overs. All-rounder Jason Holder brought his Caribbean Premier League form with the St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots back into the international team, being the pick of the West Indies bowlers with figures of 4 for 20. Also bringing his solid CPL form with the Patriots was debutant leg spinner Navin Bidasi from Trinidad and Tobago, who picked up 3 for 29. Nepal captain and player of the match Rahit Paudel top-scored with 38. In what was supposed to be a comfortable run chase, the innings started badly for the West Indies. Experienced opener Kyle Mayers was brilliantly run out by Kushal Bertel in the second over. The West Indies innings never got going, and when opener Amir Jangu was caught on the square leg boundary, the Windies had slipped to 53 for 4 in the 9th over. Another run out, this time of Casey Carty for 16, left the West Indies 5 down in the 13th over. Then, when Bertel dismissed a holder caught by captain Paudel, the West Indies were 76 for 6, and the chase effectively was over, as the West Indies ended on 129 for 9 in their 20 overs, as Nepal sealed a famous win in front of a packed crowd. West Indies are without many first-team regulars who are either in India with the Test squad, rested, or absent for numerous reasons following the conclusion of last week's Caribbean Premier League. Despite this, such a defeat versus Nepal was not expected, considering Nepal has been an ICC member since 1996 and only received T20 and ODI status in 2014 and 2018. The second T20 International is on Monday at 9:30 a.m. Jamaica time.